have this 4 double vowels, and they are only 2 tips version of these vowels. Do you remember the vowels on the second line? They are a, o, u, right? A, o, u. If you have 2 tips, you add y sound. So if one tip, this one was a, then 2 tips, that one is ya. 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 O. Yo. U. You. You. Ya. O. Yo. You. Second line, u. First line, ya, yo, you. Let's practice with the real word. Before we go there, do you remember the circle, which doesn't make any difference in sound, but just accompanying the vowel? They're the same. So if these were ya, yo, you, then combination with the circles are also ya, yo, you. We have this word, 야구. 야구 means baseball. And then we have this word 야자. 야자 means palm tree. And then we have this alphabet 여. 여. 우 means fox. And we have this H and 여. So 혀. 혀. 혀 means tongue. Next alphabet 요. 요. We have this 요 and then 리 again. 요리. 요리 means cooking. We have this p sound and 요. It's 표. 표. p, 요. 표. 표 means ticket. And you, we have this you and then 리 again. 유리. 유리 is glass. And again and then you. 휴. 휴지. 휴지 means tissue. We have these 2 more double vowels. They are similar to these. Do you remember these 2? They were 에. They're saying 에, right? They have 2 tips here. So, of course, add y. So if it was 에, those 2 are 예. 예. So, 예. There, yeah. Of course, combination with the circle, they are also yeah. We have this S and then yeah. So it's 셰. And then P and then P. 셰프. Which is chef. And then P again. And then yeah. 개. Which means lungs. Another yeah. Circle, and then yeah, of course, just yeah. Yeah, and then 기. 얘기. 얘기 means talking or story. And then j, and then yeah. 제. J is like that one, like that third person, but it's not very polite, so try not to use it for now. Now, the second version of double vowels.